Here is a wonderful 2020 Dodge Charger. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Charger delivers all the power and excitement you want in a muscle car and the safety features and convenience you need for the daily drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, satellite radio, backup camera, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, power driver seat, the 4-door powerhouse that is at home on the track as well as the cul-de-sac. Drive the Charger.